Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The ABS brake module fuse, guys, where it's located, we're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic that we have here at the garage. We have two different fuse boxes. We're going to start with the fuse box that's inside the vehicle, guys. That's the first one on the driver's side under the dash. If you look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box like that. That's the OBD port. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can see with a great detail. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, for the ABS brake module that we will have here on the bottom, that row is fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26 here, 27 through 39. The fuse that we need here, guys, will be number 27, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That fuse right here, that 34 fuse, is the one that we will need to check, guys, that fuse here. Now we have two more fuses that are under the hood. If you open the hood fuse box, okay, and we zoom in, it will be right there on the right side. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see, guys, a fuse box like that. Here you have special fuses, okay. We'll be working in that fuse right here, guys, which is known as a multi-block fuse. That fuse, okay, looks like, okay, let me show you what it looks like. That's the fuse, guys. When you remove it with one bolt, you pull it out. It consists of multiple fuses inside that without removing you cannot see if they're burnt or not practically. If you need to buy replacement ones like that, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. But now let's zoom in a little bit here, okay, and we'll be working in that fuse, okay, right here. That's fuse number 3, guys, known as fuse number 3. Here, okay, we'll need to find, guys, okay, two fuses that are for the ABS brake module, and we're talking about fuse number 4 and 5. If you come from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, that 40 fuse here, and that fuse number 5, that 40 fuse, those are for the ABS brake module as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.